How to get top comment on TikTok. So, in order to achieve the top comment on TikTok, your comment must resonate with viewers and encourage engagement. Here are some strategies to help you stand out. So, we have in here some strategies. So, first thing, you just need to craft an engaging opening. So, begin your comment with a compelling hook to capture attention. A strong opening increases the likelihood of users reading and liking your comment. For example, start with a relatable praise or humorous observation. You can also do something like a controversial take and then just explain yourself further. Next thing, be timely and relevant. Commenting early on a trending or newly posted video can increase visibility. Early comments are more likely to be seen and liked by others, boosting their position. Third, you need to add value or humor. Provide insights, ask thought provoking questions, or inject humor into your comment. Comments that entertain or provoke discussion tend to receive more likes. Next, you just need to engage with other comments. Responding to other users' comments can increase interaction and visibility. Meaningful interactions can lead to more likes and elevate your comment's position. Fifth, utilize emojis and formatting. Using emojis or formatting can make your comments stand out visually, attracting more attention and likes. Last but not the least is to stay positive and respectful. Positive and respectful comments are more likely to be appreciated and liked by the community. Remember, consistency and authenticity are key. Engage genuinely with content and the community to increase your chances of having a top comment. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.